Welcome back. We're going to take the engine and transmission out today. We got it up on the lift, so we're going to make it a little bit easier on ourselves and maybe some better camera views of it. I know a lot of guys just don't have a lift and do it on the ground, but we're spoiled a little bit today.
We got one. Okay, this is what we're working with.
All right, so there's just a couple of wiring harnesses that are still connected, and some relays and ballasts and stuff like that.
None of which work that we know of.
Okay, that's the harness for the body. And we'll keep this with the engine. And then one more over here. And then that connects to the front. Okay. All right, looks like the engine harness is separated from the body harness. Now we just got to do the throttle cable up here. Okay, and that looks like everything up here.
We're getting the rear bumper off.
My God.
It only took an hour, but we got it.
Now we're going to remove the, I guess they call it a mustache bar, but the front engine mount. And just get it loose, so when it comes time to drop it, we just got to pull the bolts out and it'll come right out. Looks like I'm gonna have to cut that. Okay. Let's do that. Luckily, we're not going to be using a clutch anymore, so we won't have to replace a clutch cable. There we go. See, that was pretty rusted, so we weren't going to get that off.
Yeah.
So we're going to cut that too. Now, hopefully there's no fuel coming out of here. we don't know if there's any fuel in this, so we're gonna have to crimp this line off and then cut it. Okay.
Oh. Yeah.
All right. You might have to hold the tire here and getting the axles off.
You want me to hold that?
Yeah.
Here. Which way is it turning?
I'm turning that way. Okay, that's one. We might have to clean them all out, but
Sorry, I wasn't ready.
picked up these lights at Harbor Freight. $4, $4.50, something like that. So magnetic swivel LED for $4. That worked. I don't know where the nut went though. Better safe than sorry. Right. Nuts and bolts are out of that mustache bar thing, engine mount thing, whatever we want to call it. Wait, what's this up here? That's all engine, so that should all come down with the engine. Okay, lower it down a little bit.
Whoa, whoa.
There she is.
Oh, whoa.
Okay, we're clear there. Slide it off the back. If we got enough room. We might not have enough room to slide it.
Oh, whoa. Oh. Oh, right, she popped out. It's just stuck on that tail shaft there. All right, much fighting from the shift rod,
And then I think we're going to be clear. Okay, now we can lift the bus off of it. Just keep an eye and make sure it doesn't
Whoa!
do things like that.
I think that's all it needed.
Feels pretty good.
Yeah. We're good.
Okay, now we just make sure that nothing's
connected.
hooked up and pulling and all that. But yeah, I think we're good. All right, clear?
Yep.
Oh yeah, big time clear. All right, that's it.
Engine and transmission.
And this is what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Is that considered 6 or is that considered 5?
1, 2, 3, 4.
6 rib. Cool. And empty hole.
Still got the wiring harness, but that's a later time.
All right, that's it for this week. We got the engine transmission out, and next time something will be in here other than us will be a Subaru engine.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Okay.
All right, see you next time.
It's icky.